Hi Savers, Chrissy here with Coupon Confidants. We have a hot coupon that has been floating around, and I'm sure if you've seen it, you've probably wondered to yourself, how do I get this $14 off one coupon? You might have seen the $7 off one. This is for the Tena products, and it's on any one product. And if you have not gotten it or are not sure how to get it, I'm going to walk you through how to do that. So in this video below, I'm going to include the link so you can get started. You will click on that link, and the window that's going to pop up is going to be this window right here. Save in store with Tena coupon offers, and you can get the $1 off, you can choose to get the $7 off, or you can choose to get the $14 off. Obviously, the best bang for your buck is going to be to choose the $14 off, because all of these coupons are off of any one Tena product. So if you're going to a store like Publix, regular price, the smaller count Tena pads are about $5.19. If you were to use this coupon, the $14 off the $5 pack of Tena pads, you're going to walk away with about an $8 and change money maker. You would still have a money maker on the $7 coupon, same scenario. So if you have not done this, if you have not gotten this yet, it is one per household because it is a very high value coupon, and Tena just wants to offer this to people so they can go ahead and try their product. Go ahead and get yours for your household. So I'm going to click on Get Coupon on the Save Up to $14 Off. Now I've done this before, so I'm really not sure how this is going to work out. I'm going to try to send it to my office, but I guess we will see what happens. You can sign up through Facebook. You can start a whole new sign up with your email. I'm going to go ahead and put on my personal email. Now, you can click this, Get Special Offers, Inspirational Tips, Delicious Recipes. I'm not sure what recipes Tena would be sending you, but you can click that and get signed up, and click the sign up button. Your profile interests, whatever you are choosing. I'm interested in products for women. I am choosing this product for myself. Maybe you care for, an older person, a parent, or a loved one. Click that accordingly. You can go ahead and put in your year here. I am going to put that I am older than I am. And you can put in your zip code, and I will put in my zip code to my office. Okay, so once you go ahead and click Next, after you put in your preferences, you need to put in your address. As you can see below, there are the coupon terms and conditions. Offers good while supplies last. $1 off coupon is limited to 6 per household per year. $7 and $14 off are limited to 1 of each type of coupon per household. Please allow 7 to 10 business days for $7 or $14 coupons to arrive in mail. And you are not supposed to buy, transfer, sell, or reproduce coupons. Any other use is fraudulent. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and fill in your address. I believe I've already done this for the office. Okay, maybe I have not. Thank you for requesting your coupon. It was the next step that will pop up. And within 7 to 10 business days, that high value $14 coupon or the $7, if that's what you chose, will be in your mail. Free for you to use at any store of your choice. Like I said, it's a very high value coupon. I just got mine at home today, so I was super excited because now I get to use it this week at Publix during a gas card deal. I will do that because I will have a good amount of overage to put towards my scenario for my gas card deal. So there you have it. Quick, easy, simple, easy enough to do. If you have any questions, please comment below, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great night.